There's a sound that only happens when the people of God come together. If you know it, just step into it. Doors are open, sunlight breaking, every heart awake inside. Families walking, saints are smiling. We came ready. This is the time. It's more than music. It's more than a song. It's heaven touching earth when we lift Him as one. This is the Sunday morning sound. Praise going up, joy coming down. Hands together, joy is loud. This is the Sunday morning. Testimonies in the making, grace still moving, love still strong. Every seat filled with expectation, and God is here, He's never wrong. And we gather in His name, every burden gets lighter, every heart gets saved. It's a Sunday morning sound. Praise going up, joy coming down. Hands together, voice in loud. This is the Sunday morning sound. This is the Sunday morning sound. Praise the Lord, praise the Lord. Hope all around, all around. Every chain is breaking down. This is the Sunday morning sound. Hear the talking, hear the shouting, hear the saints in one accord. Every voice, no hesitation. We are praising the Lord. Hear the crying, hear the healing, hear the freedom, and in the room, this is what it sounds like when God's people move. This is the sound. This is the sound. Oh, praise. This is a Sunday morning sound. This is a Sunday sound. Praise the Lord, praise the Lord. Hope all around, all around. Every chain is breaking now. This is a Sunday morning sound. If you're loving, make the sound. If you're grateful, make the sound. If you love Him,